Here's a quick look at what the add-ons tool looks like in the product, both in the Create flow and on your event landing page visible to attendees. It's important to note that in order to use our add-ons tool, you must be in our new Create experience, which looks like the screenshot shown here. If you don't have the new Create experience yet, just reach out to your customer success representative or to the Eventbrite support team. So looking at the left side of the menu, you'll want to navigate to the ticket section. Once there, click on the Add-ons heading and Create Add-ons button to create your first extra. In the pop-out section, you're going to enter in the details associated with your add-on. Some of the new options you'll observe in the pop-out are setting up variations, which are subcategories of a certain add-on that all share a max quantity. For example, if you have a max of 300 parking spots that you want to sell, but you'd like to allocate 50% to be sold online and 50% to be sold at the door, you can create 2 add-on variations that share the same inventory. Other helpful features of the add-ons tool include the ability to add an image per add-on. Visuals always help to entice purchase and offer more detail to your attendees. You're also able to toggle between including a scannable QR code for redemption or not. Add-ons can do everything that a ticket can do, so discount and access codes work with them, and so do custom on-sale schedules. Also included in the creation flow is a field for custom confirmation language. This is the perfect place for any important callouts or directions or even terms and conditions. An important final step is always to test out the purchase flow for yourself. So here you'll see a screenshot of what the checkout experience looks like in our new embedded checkout widget. You can see that there are headings labeled as tickets and add-ons, which are actually totally customizable. You can update these headings from within the settings section of the ticket screen. Just note that there is a 48-hour character limit on these fields.